Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making a super creamy pumpkin ricotta pasta that I think is delicious. It's super simple, you only need a few ingredients and it doesn't take long at all, so let's get started. I slice the pumpkin and I peel it. I'm using two different types of pumpkin because I had some leftovers, but you know, whatever type you have on hand works. I dice it in small cubes so that it cooks faster. I also dice half of an onion and I fry it up in a pan with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil for about 3 minutes or so, until it looks nice and golden. I add the pumpkin, some salt of course, a little bit of sage and black pepper. I cook it for about 10 minutes until it's tender. Meanwhile, I also cook the pasta. Make sure that the water is boiling, add a good amount of salt and drop in the pasta. Cooking time is indicated on the pasta box. When you see that the pumpkin is starting to become toasty, add a little bit of pasta water and lower the heat. I put some pumpkin in a mixer with the ricotta cheese and some pasta water. I blend until it becomes a smooth cream. I save aside some pasta water and I drain the pasta just a little bit al dente, which is basically when it's not completely cooked. I finish cooking it in a pan by adding a little bit of pasta water as necessary, and lastly a drizzle of olive oil. Once it's as cooked as you like, take it off the stove and add the ricotta and pumpkin cream. Give it a nice good mix and oh my gosh, look how creamy it is. Serve it up and enjoy. So what do you think of this super creamy pasta dish? I really enjoyed it. I hope you're gonna give it a try and let me know in the comments below what you think. Hit a thumbs up if you like this video, and also if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel for new weekly recipes. Bye guys!